back. We are here reorganizing a kitchen for a butterfly and a ladybug. They have obnoxious amounts of stuff. We're not spending money. We are transforming this with nothing but some, well, it's dollar store bins, so I'm kind of spending money. So we're spending a little bit of money. I think I've spent maybe $40 on dollar store bins, and we're transforming this kitchen with nothing but like muscles and organization. Not really muscles, because nothing's heavy. Why am I talking? So anytime I go to the client's house, the thing I bring is dollar store bins because I'm obsessed with them, and also it's perfect for sorting into when I'm pulling all their crap out of their cabinets. I can macro sort right away, and usually I just pop them in the cabinets, pop a label on it, and go for Dickie. So this is the space I kind of hate in this kitchen. It's a huge, massive kitchen, and this is awesome, valuable real estate. But I think the homeowner just got used to when they moved in, they were tossing stuff in, and so this has become the designated home. It's doing a, they have so many appliances. I've never been in a home with this many appliances. She's 23 years old. What are you cooking at 23? Besides like microwave popcorn, I don't know, ramen noodles, but somehow, anyways, I'm rambling. So what I'm gonna really do is try to recapture this space and make it way more functional. And we're gonna create a cleaning spot. So you've got your garbage, it's garbage. You're recycling way too close to things you prepare food in. So we're gonna keep the recycling down on the ground, and we're gonna make a spot for cleaning supplies in here. So it's gonna be recycling, cleaning, and some of the bigger appliances, but up high so they're not close to the cleaning and the garbage. So empty boxes are basically my nemesis. This Ninja works. Yep. How long have you had the box? 2 years? It's time to let the boxes go. It's gonna free up so much space in your value. This is like the most important spot in your kitchen. So this is great. So now that we've cleared things out, we can have a spot for a recycling center down at the bottom. It was very hodgepodgey before. So this little breakfast nook has this awesome like mudroom, which is perfect for the butterfly because this is where they enter the house. It's a little chaotic, but I want to find spots for their many bags that they take, like the reusable shopping bags. This is where they should go. So I'm gonna get the homeowner to pare them down to 10. You do not need more than 10. And we'll relocate some extra emergency ones because she's crazy and she likes them. But we're gonna keep 10 in this space and then take out anything that they're not using every day. So I had to share this with you. This is an obnoxious amount of wine glasses, and the homeowners hate wine. It's ironic. It's like right above the sink, the most important cabinet filled with something they literally never use. So we're gonna donate a ton of these and just put something that's actually functional here. So check out all these donations. I'm pretty impressed. We actually didn't get rid of a lot because there's a ton of storage in this kitchen, but even this is still impressive. So this is kind of a hodgepodge of crazy, and I love that the bread is here. I feel like this makes sense because the toaster is down here, but not so much the candy. So we're actually gonna relocate this with the other snacks down under and make a little snack station, a little breakfast station, but we're gonna store the bread in here on top of, in a basket. And more snacks. Snacks for days, snacks for days. So we're just gonna pull these out and start macro sorting them into dollar store containers. And I like to put them up so you can actually see what it is instead of having everything together. So taking them out of the package and stacking them up. And then when it's full, they won't be falling all over the place like they are right now. But that way nothing's getting crushed and that everything's really visual. These homeowners love tea and coffee, so this is like crazy valuable real estate that's kind of being wasted with some rotting bananas and other things. So we're gonna make a coffee bar that's easy for a butterfly to access, but pretty for the ladybug, and we're gonna reorganize the tea and coffee just so it's more functional. So like this is gonna go. This one is okay, I'm just gonna, I'm gonna put it over here. I love this little coffee station. Some little dollar store containers with dollar store labels, and they're gonna stay fresh, and it looks adorbs. These adorable containers were from the dollar store as well, and they store their instant coffee. Who drinks instant coffee? This family. But I love this. I love it. It's functional, but it's also really adorable. This is one of my biggest pet peeves. I freaking hate crap on the front of the fridge. I don't know why. There's a butterfly and even a reluctant ladybug to get rid of all of this. But we're gonna organize it on the side because it just makes the kitchen feel so much cleaner when the fridge is cleaned off. So yeah, it's got to go. Sorry. Okay, quick tip. When somebody puts sticky stickers and you got sticky sticker crap on your thing, you can use Goo Gone, but you can also use olive oil. It's basically Goo Gone. It's olive oil. But it is gonna leave some discoloration, which, okay, that's cray. Oh my god, it's a workout for the year. I never have to lift weights, I just have to scrub goo off of
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box.
So these curtains are going.
I just want to go my own way. Gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations.
That's it? Well, it's not a garbage can, that's your food. Sorry.
I find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now.
This is cute, but it's a spot where you're probably just dumping all your stuff. Right, so we're gonna make it a little bit neater. I think we're gonna actually run out to the dollar store and get, because you have all this cute sand collection and seashells and little stones, but it's all, you can't see it for all the other clutter. So I'm thinking we could get some cute little clear like matching that can be filled up. So we're gonna run to the dollar store and get those. And I like the plants, so maybe we'll even find some other fake, because I know you kill plants like but it would be nice to have, like, yeah, be more special, be your little special. It's perfect. It's just there's too much, so we're gonna edit it. So Michelle is a butterfly, so she needs a spot to drop, like a homeless clutter bin. So this little adorable basket is perfect right here, because this is the spot where she naturally did that anyways.
Yeah, I'm on my way now.
So this pantry didn't have a door, but a $6 curtain and a dollar store rod is all you need. I love the way this turned out. It's so much more functional now with all the appliances they use right at the valuable real estate and a recycling center on the bottom, because they're like really into the environment. Functional and really fast and easy to accomplish.
I don't want to be trapped in a box. I just want to go.
So I hope you guys are feeling inspired to organize your kitchen today. It doesn't take a lot of time or money to love your space. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. Okay, so when I was organizing, I found this can of stainless steel cleaner, right? And it was also with this other can. So they were together in the cleaning supplies. So I grabbed it to clean the sink. You guys, it's professional rubberized undercoating for cars that hardens almost instantly into rubber. I used it to clean the sink. I was trying to do a good thing, clean the sink, and what came out was liquid rubber that's supposed to go on a car, and it was really hard to get off, and I thought I screwed up their sink. And this is why you get insurance as a professional organizer. I've broken some stuff, I've ruined things accidentally, I almost ruined a kitchen sink. It came off, but why is the homeowner storing these together? I'm gonna put this in the garage and save them from ruining their stainless steel dishwasher. You're welcome.